Nastya.
Pop it challenge?
Yeah! Done! Yeah! Daddy, who is it?
Alpacas.
I don't know what that is.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. La 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 la.
Whoa!
Alpacas?
No, rabbits.
Hello. So cute. Where are the alpacas?
Alpacas are clever and funny animals. Just like their llama cousins, they're very quiet and gentle.
These are alpacas, and this is llama. Do you want to feed them?
Yeah!
Alpacas are vegetarian. Their diet mostly consists of freshly cut grass, but can also include leaves, wood, bark, or stems. We're all so hungry. Can we have some food?
No more food!
Oh! Ready!
Bye! Let's go in!
They're safe to be around and enjoy communicating.
Uh-oh!
Need to clean!
Okay.
Alpacas go to the toilet in a certain place. They're clean and easy to care for.
It's time to wash!
They also love fresh water, and swimming makes them happy.
They are all clean with me! Now it's time for a hairstyle!
Alpaca fiber is so warm, and it's used for making clothes, hats, and scarves.
So soft! Yeah. I love alpacas! We're gonna walk! Bye, guys! Like Nastya!
See? Wow.
Hi, guys. Hi. Come visit me on vacation. I'll prepare some dessert for you. Yes.
We are going! No, you are not going! Sorry! Here it is!
Hooray! Choo 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 choo.
Desserts? What happened, Grandma?
I'm so tired. I need help.
We will help you!
Oh!
Uh-oh.
have some? Give me some more. Do you have more?
I'm hungry. I'm hungry too. Okay. Thank you, but I don't like this. Maybe banana? Yeah. Yum yum yum.
I'm hungry. I'm so hungry.
We need some more.
So hungry.
The last one. Where's my sausage? I want my sausage. Where is it? Who wants it?
Please, please, please me.
Done.
Look how beautiful I am. Look at my feathers. I think I'm more beautiful.
Phew. Where do we put this?
Run!
Phew.
Dessert, guys?
No.
Oh, no. I want to eat.
Maybe some desserts.
Oh. Okay.
Desserts.
I can cook more. Can you help me?
No. I'm going to school. Oh, I'm late.
I need to work.
Sorry.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you.
Yeah!
Okay, here we go.
Oopsie. Like Nastya. Hi. Huh. Hi, iguanas.
Hello! Hello! Hi there! Hello! Look out!
They always really love bread.
Hello! Wow! Wow!
Do you like iguanas? No. Moving on.
Bye, iguanas.
Bye-bye!
Wow. It's coming here.
So delicious.
Mm.
Can I have some more? Yum.
Yes, yes, yes!
Ba-da-ba-da-ba. Okay, here we go.
Oopsie. Wow.
It's okay, it's okay. Wow!
Are you okay?